What is up, guys? It's Xavier, Sensei Xavier, aka Cool Kid Lester, eating some Ramon, giving me a little bit of power. I'm just kidding, guys. I would not be able to pull off a Sensei impression on a digital camera, but today we are playing Ninja Assassin 2. So in this game, so if you guys know, so if you guys have played the game Yin vs Yang Ninja Assassin, this is obviously a sequel to it. And in this game, you have power, where you can where you can buy swords here. You have speed, or you have to walk and then spam the mouse button. You can't just stand there and press the mouse button, because then it won't work. But then you have the combat, which I have like an awesome rainbow katana. You can actually mix like if you press shift, you can activate your super speed. And if you have no speed training, you can go like turbally fast. You can go like the Flash or something. Okay, so look, here's my speed. It's 100. It's 900. It's 1,903. Wait, it's not 109. 1,913. Okay, so I think I have to kill myself right now. So, as I was saying, you think you could chomp me, bro, and get away with it? You think you can chomp me? I will chomp you. As I was saying before that, for those two current interruptions, I'm making like a weird. I'm making like a weird. I'm making like a weird face in the camera. So guys, I'm sorry, but we can't even do face cam anymore. So you're just gonna see my Roblox character, Minecraft character for now. But here is the swords. Here are the swords. So as you can see, some of them are gathered around here. And I have this one, the rainbow katana. And I'm working to get this one. So how you level up is you just like spam the mouse by with the power thing, and you don't have to move for this to work. It only works for the speed. Okay, so once you get this one, you can use it on those dummies over there for bonus points. And then when you get to this one, you can use it on the mechanical dummy for bonus points. And and this one, it's like my favorite. It's like the shirt king guitar. I should create a shuriken brand. Sure, I just said shuriken brand, didn't I? Ooh. Okay. Anyways, this gives you even more. Okay, so you can command this. So if you can control your speed, then you can just like slash through a guy, and like you can just like slash through a guy. So it actually seems pretty gruesome that I'm actually like cutting these guys into parts. Okay, so guys, look. Do you see that yellow thing right there? That means you're gaining bonus points. And let me show you the bad. Well, let me show you the baton, the baton. Okay, so if you look at this, both aren't exactly the same. The regular power is 4, and then the dummy power is 2. And when you go over here to the guitar, if you look at it, look, the regular power is 6, and then dummy power is 2. So it's similar. And if you're wondering what else I have in my inventory, this is Ramon. So health helps you survive. As you can see, I have quite a lot of health. Because one time, one of my friends said that one of the fastest ways to get chakra right here, that's how you get all the stuff, is eating Ramon. But I still prefer flashing dummies. If you want to try the Ramon strategy, then do it. Okay, so I keep. Do you want to fight me? Do you want to fight me, bro? Do you want to throw down? Do you want to throw down? I will wreck you. Okay. Okay, so here is the throwing stars. Okay, so so this is the starter, and then you go all the way to this golden shuriken. I'm working on this one right. Oh, you want to throw down? Oh my goodness, I hate that guy. So some of these guys, some people are not just killers, and some people just want reputation. If you see like in the top right or left corner, I don't know my lefts and rights, but if you see this, then then that's my reputation level. My reputation level is over 499. Okay, I don't even know where I went with that segue there. Okay, so here are the suits. So if you'll take a look, this is the one I have. Oh man, I think that this is the master robe right here. The master robe. And I'm working on this one too. So basically, once you get something in this game, you have to advance to the next thing. Like imagine if you had this sword and then you got 8,000, then you would advance to this. And then you would go all around until you got this one. And then you would go with this. You would go on with this line. I say. I can buy it the whole time. Oh man, I look like Captain Jack right now. I look like a ninja version of Captain Jack. What the? Okay, that. Oh my goodness! I hate my luck. I hate it. I hate it. What? Okay, I will cut you. I will cut you, guys. Guys, look, I can turn into a matchbox. Not if I get destroyed. Okay, that guy is gonna get some magnet missiles. Gonna get some magnet missiles. You're gonna get missiles, bro. Or maybe I should just slash you. Oh my goodness, did you see how fast I went by after cutting that man? Gruesome, Roblox. Gruesome. So these are the group swords. And as you can see, there's actually a few swords. There's actually a lot. There's actually a gigantic variety of swords here. And before this video ends, because like it's in 10 minutes now, I want to show you some of the mechanics that are in the game. So here is the dual farm sites used to farm noodles. Fit 500 chakra. You need them. And I have the spear right here. Right here. And to do the spear thing, you have to do 5 of Shinzo's quests. So I'm just gonna mess around here. So that's the farming mechanic. So if you go here, then listen. Look, that's the yin versus the yang arena. But if you look over here, you can get the basic. Yeah, you can get the basic fishing rod with 300 chakra, but I mean 3,000 chakra. But I haven't thought of doing this guy's quest yet. Like, he's the quest guy for the fishing rods, and this is the claw master. We'll get to him right now. Okay, guys, this is Claw Master. Claw Master Mojo. I think his name's Mojo, but if you go here, you actually get have claws, and then you can cut down these trees. Observe. So, as you can see, the regular claws give you 14 points. And as you could, and if you saw these level things, it levels up your either farm noodles, claws, or fishing rod. Guys, watch this. I'm gonna cut down the tree. Oh yeah. Timber! Okay, so I'm not done with the quest yet because it's 10 quests for the flame one. But I just want to show you guys one more mechanic before we're done. So these are the jutsus. Like, you can unlock these by leveling up your chakra. I actually started out with these 4: Fireball, Snowball, Leaf Blast, and Thunder Fist. But now my chakra belt is jacked. And I'm sorry, guys. That's the 14-minute warning. I have to leave this video hanging. But if you liked it, leave a comment, subscribe, like, hashtag save the channel. Hashtag save the channel. If you want me to do anything else, just tell me.